Hey guys, how are you doing? I am back with another video from my Addicted Blogging channel, and in this video I will discuss how you can protect your privacy in the Amazfit GTS 2 mini watch. Not only Amazfit GTS 2 mini watch, but it will work with any Amazfit watch. So this will be a sick video guys, and if you are a tech enthusiast, consider subscribing to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making tech videos every now and then. So let's start. So at times what happens is we receive a notification and the notification will be displayed in the watch, like whenever we receive a WhatsApp message and the message will be displayed in the watch. So that can be a privacy concern, and in this video I will tell you how to hide the message and show that you have received only a notification. So I will show you what happens when someone message and when I receive a notification in my smartwatch. So I am messaging right now to my other phone to see the notification in the smartwatch, how it will show in my Amazfit GTS 2 mini or any other Amazfit watch. So if I send something like this, so you can see that the message will be displayed in my smartwatch. So what happens is, whenever I will be wearing the watch and I will be with someone, if the message is getting displayed there, that can be a bit annoying, because I don't want to display the message. I want to only know that I have received a notification. So how to block the message text or hide the message text and only show the notification? So for that, what you need to do is you need to make sure that the Zepp app is installed in your phone, and also make sure that it is connected with your smartwatch. The Zepp app should be connected with your smartwatch, and you need to download an additional app, that is the Notify app. I will be leaving the link of this app in the description. And once you have downloaded this app, what you need to do is you need to make sure all the permissions are enabled for the app to work. And once the permissions are enabled, you need to go to this mailbox icon, and after you come to the mailbox icon, you will get this option of apps. So you need to go into the apps option, and there all the apps will be displayed, and you need to select the app for which you want to hide the notification text. So here I want to hide for WhatsApp, so I need to go to WhatsApp here. And once I go to WhatsApp, there will be a lot of options. So you can do a lot of things with this Notify app and the app settings in here, but you have to go to something like show notification text. So once you find this option in here, what you need to do is you need to disable this option. So if you disable this option, what will happen is, if I receive a message in my phone, it will not show the text, but it will only vibrate with showing me that I have received a WhatsApp message. So I will be showing you how it will respond and how the notification text will be hidden from the Amazfit watch. So I am sending a message to the phone with which the Amazfit watch is connected right now, and let's see how the notification text will be hidden in this watch. So I am sending something like this, and you can see the notification text is hidden now, and it is not showing me the notification text whatever I have received in the phone. So that's a great thing, because it will not let other people know what message you have received, and at the same time your privacy will be maintained and your privacy will be there if you are using this watch. And another thing is, so make sure if you have disabled the notification text display option from the Notify app, you should also disable the notification from the Zepp app. So if you have not disabled the notification from the Zepp app, you will receive both double notifications. So how to disable the notification from the Zepp app is, you need to come to Enjoy section, and after you come to Enjoy section, you have to go to App Alerts. In the App Alerts, you will be seeing the app which will be listed for the notifications to come, and you need to disable the app which is WhatsApp here. So you need to go to Manage Apps, and from here you need to disable the WhatsApp. So if WhatsApp is included, you have to just click on here to make it disappear from the list, and that's it. Your notifications will be completely hidden now, and nobody will be able to see whatever you are receiving in your smartphone and the notifications in your Amazfit watch. So that is a really great thing I wanted to share. So that's it guys, I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be bringing more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.